Hi there! It's time for NHK World Japan's Easy Japanese. I'm Eriko Kojima.
And I'm Michael Reese. Let's have fun learning Japanese together. Today, we bring you lesson 26 on expressing multiple impressions. The main character of our skit is Tam, a student from Vietnam who lives at Harusan House. Tam, her housemates Mia and Kaito, and the landlady Harusan have gone to a park for ohanami. Ohanami is the spring custom of gazing at beautiful pink cherry blossoms. People stroll around and have picnics under the trees. Tam and her friends spread out a blanket and sit under a cherry tree.
Listen to what they have to say in the skit for lesson 26.
お弁当だよ。僕が作ったんだ。どうぞ。
きれい。すごい。いただきます。この卵焼き、甘くて美味しいです。カイトは本当に料理が上手だね。
僕、シェフになりたいんだ。
いいね。
Let's look at the meaning line by line.
Kaito lays out a boxed lunch in the center of the blanket and says,
お弁当だよ。
Here's a boxed lunch.
僕が作ったんだ。どうぞ。
I made it. Please enjoy it.
Mia is impressed by the colorful lunch and says,
きれい。
Beautiful.
It made an impression on Tam too.
すごい。
It looks great.
いただきます。
Let's eat.
Tam starts off.
この卵焼き、甘くて美味しいです。
This Japanese omelet is sweet and delicious.
Mia says,
カイトは本当に料理が上手だね。
Kaito, you're really a good cook.
Kaito replies,
僕、シェフになりたいんだ。
I want to become a chef someday.
Mia nods and says,
いいね。
That sounds good.
well, it seems like Kaito really has a talent. Today's key phrase is, this Japanese omelet is sweet and delicious.
この卵焼き、甘くて美味しいです。
If you learn this pattern, you'll be able to express your impressions more intricately.
First, let's examine the meaning. このtamago-yaki means this Japanese omelet. Tamago-yaki, meaning Japanese omelet, is a typical side dish for a boxed lunch. The eggs are beaten and flavored with broth and sugar. The thinly cooked layers are rolled into a soft block. The original form of amakute is the I-adjective amai, which means sweet. Oishii means delicious. Today's point is expressing something by connecting two or more adjectives. With an I-adjective, replace the I at the end with kute. In today's phrase, when amai connects with oishii, amai becomes amakute, followed by oishii. The result? Amakute oishii.
Listen and repeat out loud.
甘くて美味しいです。この卵焼き、甘くて美味しいです。
Got it? Now listen to a conversation about impressions of a park.
上野公園どうでしたか？
広くてきれいで、とても良かったです。
Now let's look at those phrases.
上野公園どうでしたか？
How was Ueno Park?
Ueno Koen is Ueno Park. It's a big park in Tokyo. どうでしたか is how was it, inquiring about a past impression.
広くてきれいで、とても良かったです。
It was spacious and beautiful and very nice.
広くて is the I-adjective hiroi, meaning spacious, in the form to be connected to the next adjective. きれいで is the na-adjective, きれいな, meaning beautiful, in the form to be connected to the next adjective. To connect a na adjective to another adjective, replace the na with de とても良かったです means was very nice.
Listen and repeat out loud.
広くて綺麗で広くて綺麗でとても良かったです。
Okay, let's practice with other impressions. Imagine you've been given a cat-shaped ornament as a souvenir. Try saying, it's small and cute. Small is
小さい
and cute is
かわいい
At the end of the sentence, add ne to seek agreement. Go ahead.
小さくてかわいいですね。小さくてかわいいですね。
This time, you've been asked what you think of Japanese trains. Try saying, they are punctual and convenient. Punctual is
正確な
and convenient is
便利な
Go ahead.
正確で便利ですね。正確で便利ですね。
Getting the hang of it?
Today's bonus phrase is what Kaito said as he spread out the boxed lunch. Now, memorize this phrase.
どうぞ。
どうぞ means please enjoy it in the skit. It's a versatile word that can be used when offering someone something like a meal or allowing someone to do something. It can be said when handing something to another person too.
Listen to various people pronounce the word.
どうぞ。
どうぞ
どうぞ。
Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat out loud.
どうぞ
Okay, here's the skit once again.
お弁当だよ。僕が作ったんだ。どうぞ。
きれい。すごい。いただきます。この卵焼き甘くて美味しいです。カイトは本当に料理が上手だね。
僕、シェフになりたいんだ。
いいね。
はるさんの知恵袋。
Now on to Haru-san's bag full of advice. Today we'll talk about cherry blossom viewing, or hanami.
The blossoms appear from around March to May, starting from the south and traveling north. The peak season in Tokyo is usually from the end of March to early April. People around the country watch for forecasts on when the blossoms are expected in their area and announcements of what stage they're in on any given day, so people can plan accordingly.
Where do people usually go for ohanami?
Well, they go to neighborhood parks and roads lined with cherry trees, as well as areas famous for cherry blossom scenery. Fervent enthusiasts get up at the crack of dawn to secure the best spots. Ueno Park and Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden are a couple of the prime venues in Tokyo. The trees along the Sumida River and Meguro River are also very popular. Finding locales that light up the cherry blossoms at night is a real treat. Well, we hope you enjoyed today's Easy Japanese.
Join us again next time.